Crocodile can't go tell. Crocodile and be leader of secret court for their. Where are they before now? Eh? So my friend go buy wristwatch for him prepaid meter. So as he buy wristwatch for him, what to be home? Una prepaid meter not get na band una dey. Who they band here? So my wife say won't join Osusu. So as he joined Osusu, he said every year that's made they bring one fowl. Say December, he go win cow.
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.
Attention, if you're not spending money, go.
Yeah. DJ, hold on. Hello, Bini. I better calm down. So DJ, I beg, not play again. Just the small time I get, man, just use it. I beg, not just play, yeah. Thank you. No. So, ladies and gentlemen, Bini people, thank you very much. Happy New Year. Now the second day be this. People wicked, well. Last year, we see the judge matter. Now last year they poisoned our village juju. So as a poisoner, now let me talk. I go waka live now. I told us I get time. So the juju call they depressed. That's because he go hang himself. So another juju they call for Uromi. That one get into BBL. Just they pass. We might just say on my section there. Oga, I don't know whether I know what will happen now. Sir, hello sir. This period, they know they understand what will happen now. So we feel just day and now they'll start 2027 election. So now what will happen now? Because last year we had to fear Nigeria. How can a deputy governor thief governor phone? Last year that happened. Now for burial, so they call they'll go swear. So as they go Abraka side, yeah, they want for go swear. Bros, I bet if you give them water, may drink. So as they go Abraka side, they want go swear. Boys call the protest. We no go agree, we know. So as they protest, police cost me they stop the protest. They cost me they just shoot go up. Cobra where they go, police go shoot the cobra for neck. So that cobra can say, he not did this protest. Why police they? So cobra call on go general hospital make they remove the bullet for him. Now there's me go bring NIN and police report. So my friend go bath foul with hot water. So as he bath the foul, he fed and call the pool. Because call the cash you, now make me bath you with hot water. So Amadi I go open account for GT Bank. So I see when I go tired to I never say anything. When they talk better things, this tenor now rubbish tenor. Pupaleke, I see you. So for that Christmas, come our compound. So as he come. If I just talk, I don't believe say na rubbish I won't talk. Now that they pay me for now. And I they talk some better things. Okay, man, talk one better one. So one boy in name na Kazim. So where did they work? Kazim, they call whole board meeting. Now Kazim call go insult Yoga. So as you insult you, now Yoga call the tell the other workers. So una dey Kazim insult me. Now those workers call me Kazim. Kazim, you insult Yoga during our board meeting. Now Kazim say, that not be insult, say na sarcasm. Say not be insult, say na sarcasm. I know part of speech where they call sarcasm. So as you say na sarcasm, not be part of speech. I mean na oxymoron. So as you say na sarcasm, as I tell you now, they don't sarcasm. This one also makes sense. So, my mom go donate blood. So as he go donate blood. And the problem I just get with Benin people now be this one. As I just talk, you just believe say, na rubbish. I won't cut. I mean, why people they perform here? Man, see check my time first. People they perform here just now. 14 minus 18. How many minutes with that? 14. That's 4 minutes now, though. 4 minutes now, though, do now. So, now, they do election for Delta State, so they call pull APC Bishop. Because the person they represent APC in a man, so he doing hand like this. Why the hand for the symbol like say one hawk person. So PDP, their candidate now woman. So they can go pull the PDP signboard opposite the APC himself. The woman self, he open his hand like say they hug that man. So his husband they pass. That woman husband said. So my wife now say they go to for the party now hug they go up. We don't forget saying a signboard to say call area boys. They call cut the man hand. That man we wide the hand. So they call cut the hand. So APC can go call their own people say call cut the woman hand. So say they call the cut. So as they call the thing they affect the woman for hands because spiritual matters for this our work. So their dog called a dream. As their dog they dream say their dog where they back whoa. The dog they dream say crocodile. Who be that now? Who they blow whistle? Now only much they blow whistle so. I been here they blow for a palace. So now as the dog they dream, crocodile can go tell. Crocodile and I be leader of secret court for their. Where are they before now? Eh? So my friend go buy wristwatch for him prepaid meter. So as he buy wristwatch for him, what to be home? Una prepaid meter not get na band una dey. Who they band here? So my wife say want join Osusu. So as he joined Osusu, he said every year that's made they bring one fowl. Say December, he go win cow. So every day. So every day my wife they bring one fowl. January to February to December. So our customer just go see here because we write our family name for the fowl body. So we reach here, our fowl don't run around. You don't even mature because now native fowl. So now the woman tie rope, carry the fowl, they pass. Because police announcement anybody not shoot banger. So as police announcement anybody not shoot banger, the policemen come our house, come collect 4 bangers for my brother hand. They come put them for pocket. So the next day they go checkpoint. As they checkpoint, he didn't stop motor. He come mistakenly go stop me. As he stop now, I say, young man, park there. As I park, cigar called the hungry the policeman. So he don't forget saying banger wey he seize for pocket yesterday. So as he touch the point, I say, I still get 4 cigar for pocket. So he come carry one of the banger, lighter like saying a cigar. Me call the look and say, Ogana, he say, shut up there, bring your paper. You don't even want to listen to me. Now he put the banger for my call lighter. You know when you light banger, I know they blow once. So the time they follow me, they toy hold on like this. The banger they light small. Now I don't light reach where you want to blow. Now you can't move on. I be go on. So as he blow, all of us call run. Myself, I drive off. But I'm surprised as I they go, I they hear park there. Who they tell me park? I don't come up for a checkpoint. Park there. So I don't know say, as I call they say, who they tell me park there. I don't say the man tongue there on top of the roof of mine. Now in tongue they tell me park there. So I can't carry the tongue. They were carrying any DPO tongue way lost. Because the man is a Joma. Any DPO tongue way lost, may call collect and the man still not be owned. So with this viewpoint of mine, I don't time for this work. See time 1 o'clock. Now they can't talk to now. Some of them, they, man. I beg all the married men, I mean I clap for now. I say only the married men, I beg. It's not easy. A man go to provide for the family. He go to pay children school fees. The wife know the work or listen. No, the wife is doing nothing. He is the one providing everything. The woman lack nothing. Then later the woman go sit and say, my husband is not romantic. Person they do all those kind of things. So you go feel get romantic. You go feel they romantic. Is it possible? Now the issue I they face for my house with that. I don't say man on Christmas Day they buy gifts. They go give your wife. Me I not Sabian. On Christmas Day now goat will kill. So the goat will kill now the guy they kill her. Now how need to they kill the goat? Because the boy is strong well. So the goat can't get belly. The goat get 2 children. One of the children say he get appendix. So I the Now here today, I'm not well. That's 23 now. 23. I don't do 10 minutes. Yes. Remain 5 minutes. Remain 5 minutes before I go. So last week, this one happened. We go hospital. You know, say we go general hospital. I don't know about Benin here, but if you go general hospital, you go all those women ward, especially those who get belly. You see that the men, especially general hospital. One man, very wicked man, give 2 women belly, but the women don't know. Say now one man give the belly. So you know, say women when they get belly, they're going to touch each other. How many months be your belly? Say, my own are 8. You say, 8. Wow. 8 months, now it be like this. This your belly big, oh. You, how many? 9. Your own small. You know that the women like themselves. Like, so the 2 women don't know, say, now one man give their belly, but the children know. So the children, they do. Like terms follow like terms now. The children know. Inside, they know, say, so one other woman, the other woman called the shop puff. So you not give this other woman. So this picky called the look. As this one they shop, the food they enter. So this picky called stretch am. Make this woman give him. That's the stretch am for him. But let me give another one because the woman called knock in hand. That time the thief signboard from ShopRite go put for Angle Park. So as they carry the ShopRite go, the guy will fix eyelashes for foul. As he fix the eyelashes for the no weird. No, wait 5 minutes. I want me half of this all go before Akoro will come. So my friend go buy disabled fowl. He buy the disabled fowl and I saw the fowl they waka. So as they bring a come, other fowl called the laugh. So that fowl where they bring called the fowl na AA. So that in DNA na AA, the other one na AS. So this guy not tired. He's go. Come carry me come out now. Never see anything. Come, I don't say food be here. Come worry me because see all these dummy where they take. Not be dummy, I mean a manukin at the color. Where they sell clothes. One guy they sell man clothes, the other one they sell a woman clothes. So when they close, they'll pack their dummy put for inside. So as they come back, they'll suppose I say this dummy, he go face this side. What they make and they don't say for 90, they pass stop, they go meet this other dummy. So after 9 months, that dummy called Gebele. So I see Gebele, I don't want to go, now 3 minutes remain. So I see Gebele, they call the user and they say pregnancy clothes. So he called born, they call user and go say children clothes. So at the one they tell you say children clothes, one day just see some children, they go school. Now he call they follow them, they go, they go. I call say, you not be human being, you call say in the night, because that woman very wicked, when he inject them, he give her weave-on, wear. So the dummy call wear weave-on. So as the dummy they go, the calorie don't dry because the intestine they up. So the photosynthesis never dry. Now they call say, so there. This guy now a pity for the guy don't even know where to look. Oyibo, are you hearing me? You know they hear me. Not worry, now so now they do us on a film. We know they hear on. Today I know hear one thing. I beg go. So lastly, let me do this one, then I go because Akoro did it. When I reach Lagos, I hear of this artist in a joke. As I reach Lagos, I hear say, even Maleke said I would talk. If you interview Maleke, I go say, I started from the gutter. Interview AY, I go say, he start from gutter. Interview Basketman, where he start from gutter. Even Whiskey and Davido, they say they start from gutter. So now, since all the artists start from gutter, which day will they do environmental? So as you do environmental, so I call them my guy, I mean, small, some artists they inside this, they inside the gutter. So with this few point of mine, I've been able to convince you that foundation is better than empty land. Thank you very much.
Attention, if you're not
MC Casino's Game of Jokes. The very good bad guys.